Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, folks, if you like this video, do not be afraid to hit that notification bell and subscribe for more great product ideas for your truck. We've got accessories galore, and today I'm going to walk you through the Leer Latitude series, specifically the SC. Really, really great cover. Cannot wait to show you. Really cool feature about a lot of these trifold covers that do just mount right to the top of your pickup bed. Really, really great at keeping out the weather, stuff like that. But also the install isn't going to require any tools of any kind. So everything you need to get this bad boy installed is going to come right out of the box. Again, featuring on the Latitude series here, we've got that cinch lock system on both the driver and passenger side. Very, very heavy duty stuff. Keeps everything super secure. We've got these bracing clips on both the driver and passenger side. While we've got it folded here, you can see, of course, on this SC ragtop version, it is actually kind of a double build here for added strength and durability. So as far as longevity is concerned, going with that SC is going to be a really, really, really great idea. Also along the sides, we have dual stitching. That is a feature you will not find with every single trifold cover out there within this price range. Really, really excellent setup. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, contact one of our excellent tech gurus at RHRSwag.com.